Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself opening Power BI over and over again, wishing you had a quicker way, today's tutorial is definitely for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a Power BI desktop shortcut right on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 desktop, making it lightning fast to start working whenever inspiration strikes. Don't worry if you're not super tech savvy, I'll walk you through each step explaining what to click and why it matters so you stay confident along the way. Let's jump right in. The very first thing we're going to do is locate where your Power BI desktop is installed. This is important because Windows needs to know what program we want the shortcut to launch, and sometimes shortcuts just point to the wrong file, so we want to be really precise. Most likely Power BI is installed in your Program Files folder, but if you're not sure, you can search for it using the Windows search bar. Just type Power BI Desktop, right-click the app and choose Open File Location. This takes you straight to the right spot. Now that we've found the Power BI application file, here comes a very important move that sometimes catches people off guard. Hover your mouse over the Power BI desktop file, that's usually the one with the yellow icon, and right-click on it. This opens up a menu with lots of options, and it might look a little different depending on your version of Windows. If you're using Windows 11, you might see a smaller menu at first, but don't let that throw you off. What you need to do next is look for an option that says Show More Options. This little step expands the menu so you have access to the classic choices we're looking for. Okay, now with the full menu open, find the Send To option. It usually has a tiny arrow next to it. Hover over Send To and you'll see a list pop out to the side. Go ahead and click on the one that reads Desktop Create Shortcut. What we're doing here is telling Windows, hey, make me a shortcut for Power BI and put it right on my desktop so I can find it easily. It might take a second for the shortcut to appear, but don't worry if you don't see it instantly. Just minimize all your windows and check your desktop. You should now see the familiar yellow Power BI icon with a little arrow on it showing that it's a shortcut. That's it, you're all done. Now anytime you want to launch Power BI, instead of hunting through menus or searching in the Start menu, just double-click that desktop icon and you're set. It's a simple trick, but it saves so much time, especially if you use Power BI often for work or personal projects. Plus, having that shortcut right at your fingertips feels a bit like putting your car keys somewhere you know you'll always find them. If you ran into any hiccups along the way, maybe the shortcut didn't show up, or you're using Windows in a different language, don't worry. Drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if this tutorial helps speed up your workflow, I'd appreciate it if you gave the video a like. Be sure to subscribe for more practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.